welcome back everybody to another video in this channel. And in today's video guys, we're going to be reviewing and unboxing the Google Nest Mini. So yeah guys, let's jump right into the unboxing. Alright guys, so let's start unboxing this thing. So I also forgot to mention that this is the Google Nest second generation. So yeah. And I obviously got the red version because red is my favorite color.
Okay.
Alright, so yeah, so we got the instructions. So yeah, we got the instructions and we got the power cord with the Google logo right here. So yeah, this is it for the unboxing. And now we're going to take a look at the Google Nest Mini's features. So yeah, let's get into that. Alright guys, so the Google Nest Mini is a speaker. It can make calls. You can set up timers, like saying, hey Google, set up a timer for 5 minutes. You can check the weather and many things. And this thing also controls your smart devices such as phones, TVs, and lights using your voice. Well, the thing with these features are that you guys need a smart plug, and this smart plug, well, you obviously plug it in, and it takes control of your lights and anything connected to the power source in your house. So yeah, you can actually just say, hey Google, play, I don't know, a random song, and it'll play it for you. And this thing is actually $30. It's totally worth it for its features and everything. It's totally worth it. It's really cheap as well. And this thing used to be $50, so it did drop $20. So yeah. So the difference between the first gen and the second gen is that the second gen has a better sound quality. That's basically it. No difference in its physical form. It's just the sound quality that differs it. So that's basically it for its features. Also, I'm going to be making another video testing it out using my phone, same voice commands, and many other things. So yeah, make sure to stay tuned for that. I'll upload that like probably tomorrow or later today. And yeah guys, if you guys did enjoy this video guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more videos just like this. Yes. Or you guys can check out my gaming videos too. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, have a nice day, stay safe, and see you guys. I'm out. Don't worry guys, I will be posting more gaming videos.